I may have been a bit too aggressive while cleaning this attachment, as I actually removed the Lightning model name across the front of this power nozzle. But otherwise, most of the writing is still along all the machine. A couple of stickers, a couple of warning labels on the inside have come off, actually. There was one near this filter with the Fantom helpline, and that one, the writing had washed off of it. So I just peeled the whole sticker off. It has a single extension tube instead of two, and it's not telescoping either. Telescoping? Right here on the handle there's a switch just to control the power nozzle, along with the suction relief valve. Just opens a little hole right under there. There's a status light that I believe turns green when it's operating correctly, and red whenever it's jammed. A height adjustment knob, of course. Overall, it's cleaned up pretty nicely, but there is it is a bit difficult to find a replacement brush roll as much as I would like to replace this one. The bristles aren't too bad on it, though. It just needs some black paint would clean that up better, but I don't really have the desire to paint the nozzle of this. This right here is the pre-motor filter, so it goes through here. It's made out of metal. It's like a metal, a metal grate kind of. Durable and easy for cleaning, or easy to clean. It's a good benefit of that. Motor's right inside there. It's a little bit dusty inside there. I didn't disassemble this down to the motor to clean it out. So the suction comes, well, so the dirt comes in through here, circles around in there. Of course, the second cyclone is down in there. So the suction comes up through here, then into this little foam area, which sits right above this filter. So if you just, it goes right through the motor, which is actually right there, and then into the post-motor HEPA filter, which I actually managed to find a new old stock HEPA filter. However, since it was new old stock, the rubber had deteriorated some, and this bottom part actually broke off, so I glued that back in place just because these filters are harder to find than the Thunder and Fury filters. And it actually gets some wear right here where it makes contact with the vacuum housing every time that this is opened and closed to empty out the bin. Speaking of the bin,